online programming courses by ICT Skills.in. Our programming courses encompass a broad spectrum of topics and skill levels, catering to diverse interests and career goals within the technology sector and beyond. Programming courses are an essential cornerstone of today's education and professional development landscape. In an increasingly digital world, the demand for skilled programmers continues to grow, spanning industries from technology and finance to healthcare and entertainment. Programming courses typically begin with an introduction to fundamental concepts that underpin all coding languages. ICT Skills programming courses are designed to equip beginners with a solid understanding of key principles such as variables, data types, control structures, loops and conditionals, functions, and algorithms. Our popular programming languages course are 1. Online Advanced Python Programming. 2. C Language Online Training. 3. Core and Advanced Java Programming. 4. Data Structures and Algorithms with Java. 5. C# for .NET. 6. PHP for Web Development. 7. Deep Dive into JavaScript, Kotlin, and many more. Explore ICTskills.in for a wide range of live online programming courses and take the first step toward a rewarding career today. Visit our website, www.ictskills.in, or call us 949-956-9596. Thank you.